it's longer. Go back this way. Hola. Hi. Do you speak English? Ha! This is the wrong lake. I did think I'm a little bit lost in this national park. So, whatever this lake is, wrong lake. I'm just at the wrong spot. So, usually everybody got their masks on everywhere, but there's really nobody in this park. Music on, I'ma just keep walking and try to get to the pink lake. It's 1000% like amazing here. Like, yo, bro, I'm lost again 2 days in a row for this same lake. I just hope I'm not too tired to take some fire pics, because I'm already tired, because this is a hike. I'm dying. I'm exhausted, and I'm lost in a Spanish park with no people. No friends, no phone. Two days to find this lake. Pics better be fire. Well, that was all the recording for that. Full failed mission. Couldn't find the pink lake. Well, I was close enough to see it, but not close enough to see it and get good pictures. So yeah, stay tuned for the next vlog. We went horse riding, that was fun. Somebody fell. And today we're gonna do some go-karts, see where we go from here.